Beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm super excited today to be hopping on with a beauty tools that work video. I am so obsessed with beauty tools. I have quite a few. I mean, maybe people could possibly have tons more, but for me, I have a lot. So I brought out my favorites today, the ones that I've been using and loving. I'm going to show you guys, and this is going to be proof. I have one that's the original OG. I believe it came out over 10 years ago, and I purchased it and I loved it, and I've been using it ever since then. And I actually do have the original of another beauty device. These both are super popular now, and they are many versions different. This is like pulling out an old cell phone when I show you beauties today. So beauties, let me jump right into the beauty tool that truly works, and that is my Baby Quasar. This might be, it's an OG. So I believe there are several versions since I purchased this one, but it has been working amazing ever since I purchased it. So there's no reason to get another one. And it is amazing. This is an LED device, so it is, I'm not sure, yeah, you have to have it plugged in, so I don't have it plugged in right now, but it does turn red when you turn it on. And then I love this so much. I just get the most amazing results from using this. I've been using this, I believe, about almost 10 years, and I try to use it as much as possible. So if I'm not busy with work or running around, I try to do it every day. So I wind up doing it about 3 days a week, and I go ahead and put it under my eyes to help to produce collagen. The LED light does work to help for your skin to help produce collagen. And so I'll put it under my eyes. I've never had an issue, and I hold it. It goes off after 3 minutes. So I hold it. I try to hold it, you know, it winds up being about 1.5 minutes, and then I'll move to another section and then over to the crow's feet area. And then I do my T-zone area to kind of shrink the pores, and in the nasal folds. That's pretty much the only place that I actually do use it, because those are kind of like my aging spots, so I want to keep them, although I should probably use it over here too, but I have another device for that. This I love to use under my eyes, crow's feet, oh my gosh, in the T-zone area to help keep the pores, you know, firm and tight. So it's strengthening your skin, and it's going to keep it firmer. If your skin is strong, then you know it'll look firmer. I absolutely love this. This truly works. I was scared to buy this because when I purchased it, I believe it was about almost $500, but it is truly works. And in the long run, I've saved so much money because I don't go to the salon and get treatments, or I don't go to Medi Spa and get treatments, although I would love to go. Hopefully in the future I'll go, but those are so pricey. Those are about $500 for one treatment. So I loved when I got the Clear and Brilliant. I would love to do that again, but like I said, it is pricey. So in the meanwhile, I've been using this, you know, every day. Maybe it's keeping up my results from when I did get the Clear and Brilliant. It could be helping to keep the results. I'm not sure, but it definitely does do something. It definitely does work. So I absolutely love this. So beauties, oh my gosh, I just got this. I just started doing this the other day, and I could not. Now I saw the results. So huge, because this right here is something that I used, and I looked at my skin the next day and I was like, oh my God, my skin was so plumped. It was seriously so youthful looking. It looked so much, my skin looked so much younger. It was crazy. And so what this is, I was afraid to buy this, but let me get into it. What this is a micro needle pen from Aura. This is just beyond amazing. And I was very afraid to use this, but it doesn't hurt. Maybe if you get more larger needles, it hurts. But this one probably just has very small needles, so it doesn't hurt. And it's amazing, you guys, it's amazing. And they had a coupon on the website. I'll try to link it below, but it said it was $100 and some odd dollars, I believe 110, but then they had a coupon and it came down to $80. So I'll try to find that coupon and link it below, because this is a life changer. This is phenomenal. And you just take it and you just make little circles. And I didn't bleed or anything like that, because I've seen people on YouTube microneedling and they're bleeding, and they must be using much larger needles. This is not going to do that to you, but it does give you incredible, amazing results. I've truly never seen a beauty device make such just instantaneous results, although the Oya eye patches do also give you an instantaneous result, but this is just as, oh my God, this is just on another level beauty device. And I gotta show you guys exactly how I use this. Actually, this came free also, so I got this for about $30 off. What they were having a special or a coupon, And then they also gave you one of these free with purchase. And I never tried these before. This is my first time trying an Ampoule. And this is from Babar. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. This is a German skincare company. And it says it's a lift and firm Ampoule. And so like I said, never used Ampoules before. I've never didn't know what they were really, but it does tell you what it is. But what they are is, and you only use these like once a week, but in here came all of these little tiny bottles, and then you just snap off the top and you put this on your cleansed skin. I'm going to come back and show you guys if you want me to show you in a video, because it's amazing. So you put the Ampoule on your skin, and then you take your microneedling pen and you just make small circles, and it just glides over your skin with the Ampoule. And then after you're done with this, you put on your hyaluronic acid serum, and you just, go to bed or whatnot. Don't put on any makeup. Do it like at night. When you wake up in the morning, you cannot believe your skin. You just cannot believe your eyes. I truly was in shock. I was like, I couldn't believe it. And this is so good. Like I said, there was no bleeding. There was nothing, no damage. Even though it's supposed to damage your skin a little bit. That's the point behind it. It's supposed to damage your skin a little bit, and that helps your skin to produce collagen. So finally, beauties, I have an OG here. You guys are going to be like, what is that? What is that? This is like pulling out one of those giant cell phones from the 80s. I purchased this back in the day. This is the original NuFace Microcurrent. This is like an electric current that tones your skin and firms your skin. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is truly amazing. I've been using this. I use it like, and I don't know if I should get this. If you guys have this, let me know. But I use it like this on my hooding, on my eye, and I feel like it keeps it firm. And I also love to use it on like my jawline to keep that firm. I don't really use this too much under my eyes, but for my hooding, this is everything. And I also do use this on my neck as well to keep it firm. And I love this so much. And actually at one point in time, when I was moving recently, I couldn't find it. So I went ahead and purchased another one. So this is the new one. But they also have one with different kind of probes that come out, and then they're smaller. So they're supposed to be to lift your lip. I would definitely actually use this to keep my lips lifted, that area, because this lifts and firms and tones like nobody's business. It is so amazing. And I've been using it. Did I say I've been using this probably over 10 years? Whenever this came out, I bought it right away. And actually I remember, and I don't know, most people don't have this result, but I used to have really bad acne, and I would put it on the acne and it would clear the acne up. It's just a godsend. It's amazing. And I do notice a lot of people asking online if they have to use the gel that comes. There's a NuFace gel, but you don't have to use that gel. You do have to use something though, or it is painful. So, because some people say it isn't painful, but I find it to be painful if you don't use some kind of gel. But what I use is a face mask or a really nice thick cream, face cream. And I use I put that on, a thick layer, pretty much a thick layer, and then use it with the NuFace and go around my face. And I have been getting the most phenomenal results. And then I leave it on all day, the cream. And so it just soaks into my skin all day, and it doesn't hurt. It doesn't, because when you use the NuFace without a cream, it kind of hurts when it's stimulating the muscles, I guess. But if you use the cream, it does not hurt, plus you're getting the benefits of the skin cream. So you can pretty much use any skin cream, and it should work for you. I know I've used quite a few of my skin creams that I have, and they've all worked. So hopefully your guys's, the one that you have should probably work for you. I love this one here from Epiance. This is a firming mask. This is amazing. I love to use this. I also have a Lancome skin cream, which is amazing with it. It's because it's a very thick skin cream, so it just works amazing. And then your skin has the skincare benefits from the cream, plus you're getting the benefits from toning and lifting your skin with this, so it's an amazing combination. So beauties, finally, I'll just mention this really quickly, but this one, I don't even know the name. It's so old, the name wore off, but this is an ultrasonic machine. And I can't even read it. It came off. I'm trying to find out down below, but this is super old. I bought this one like 10 years ago too. What I do with this is just ultrasonic, and you put your serums on, and it just works the serums really well into your skin, and it just helps to open your pores so that the serums go in deeper. So I love to use this at night too, if I can, with my serums and things like that, and it makes an amazing result. So beauties, that's pretty much all of my best beauty tools. I actually just use my beauty tools. I use my at-home mask. I don't have any plastic surgery. I don't have any Botox or anything like that, although a friend of mine did give me a gift certificate for Botox, so I might be going to get that in the future. I'll take you guys along with me, and you guys let me know, or you think I shouldn't get it. But since I had a gift card, I was like, let me try that out. But I use everything skincare at home. I don't go to the Medi Spa. I only went to the Clear and Brilliant a few times that I took you guys along with me. Maybe I've had Clear and Brilliant like, I don't know, 4 times in 5 years. All my results are from skincare and from these beauty devices that I showed you today, and these beauty tools. So let me know if you beauties have tried any of these out. Do you love using beauty tools and beauty devices at home too, like I do? I'm just obsessed with at-home skincare. I just love it because it's so convenient. I love it. And so that's pretty much it, beauties. Let me know what you guys think of these beauty devices, and let me know your favorite beauty tools, because I will be checking them out. I will be like, you guys know, I love your recommendations and suggestions. I get so many amazing ideas from you beauties, so I will definitely love to check out what you guys are loving. So I hope you're all doing good. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.